All right, you know what? Listen to me.
I can stay with you.
This is like, dude, this is really embarrassing that this is on camera.
No, listen to me. I'm gonna run out for a second. Keep playing it though. Don't stop it. I'll be right back. So I have to go to the bathroom. But listen, we're so far behind right now. Just keep playing. I'll be right back. All right, never mind. Don't play. Right back. Come on. Stay right there. I gotta go to the bathroom.
We gotta prank him. We have to prank him somehow. What can we do? Oh, let's do the knocking sound. Let's do the YouTube knocking sound, bro. Yeah, you ready? Okay. Oh, you got a beer?
Yeah, I need something to crunch on.
All right,
let's go. I got a little Corona. Let's go.
Right, let's get it. Damn.
Let's go.
Wait, I thought you came down here. How long were you down here?
Let's go.
Hey. Here we go.
No, feel comfortable sleeping down there alone.
You don't have to be upset. I'll sleep with you.
Just cuddle.
Who's that?
Oh.
Yo.
Not very English pajamas, but
That's fine.
you can just stay here with me.
You know, I kind of felt like I was babysitting.
He just ran up the stairs. He just sprinted up the stairs. Bro, he just sprinted up the stairs. Oh my god, bro. Dude, he's running around. Dude, he's running through the house right now. I don't know. We saw. I didn't see anything. No, on the cameras, I didn't see anything. Yeah, just send like 2 right now. Just send like a couple. All right. What?
Come here.
He knows now. Fuck, he fucking woke me up. Fuck, I was knocked out. Alright, so we're gonna play it. We're gonna like act like the cops are coming. Go ahead. Guys. I don't know how to end this. My dad is like, I want to be here when the police come. I want to talk to them. Like, I don't know how to end this right now. I've recorded on my phone like us talking up there, but I don't know what to do. I told him, I was like, yo, let's sit in front of the stream and let's just chill and wait.
Okay.
Yeah, Raph is like, Raph like almost like burnt the house down, chat.
Go ahead.
He like almost burnt the fucking house down.
All right, let's go.
All right, let's get it. Dad, read this.
What?
Read this. Wait.
It's nice. It's really nice. Wow.
Wait.
What a real wow.
You were running around the...
I dragged him out of bed. You better. Okay. You know what? I dragged that poor bastard out of bed. No, I'm glad you think it's funny. I dragged that I dragged him out of bed.
No.
Yeah, no, because I was like, we need help.
Wait, what is this?
What's that? Mate. Yeah. What was that?
Yo.
Wow, what a real wow, what a real wow, you're a real piece of shit. Wow. Oh, that's great. What a piece of shit, man. What was that?
Dude, that was like a comical, like...
Yeah, no, it's hysterical.
It's just like a...
Yeah, what a piece of shit, man. What was that?
Yo.
Wow. That's great. So that's how you get your fucking jollies?
Just ran this.
Oh, what a piece of shit, man.
Dude, I thought you were just...
What was that?
It's getting funnier.
I woke him up out of bed, the poor guy.
Oh my God.
I woke the poor guy up.
When you went upstairs, what were you doing?
I went up to Ralph's room. I shook him. I said, "Get up." I said, "We got problems. You're gonna come down." He ran down the stairs.
Oh my God.
Why would you let me wake the guy up like that?
Oh my God.
All right, let's go. Come on.
Oh my God.
No, it's funny. Good. That's good. You made an asshole out of me. That's good. Let's go.
Rap just texted me and said, "I'm crying."
Fuck him, too.
No, but he didn't know until he came down the stairs. So when he came down with you, he thought it was real.
Yeah.
And then all I did was I showed him the video, and he started laughing.
Let's go. Come on.
Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. Would you be mad though, if I told you I recorded for like a minute of us talking upstairs?
Yeah, you're an asshole.
Should that go in the video for context or no?
I mean, yeah. Okay. So that's great.
When you're like, I want to see the police and like all this shit.
No, yeah, make an asshole out of me. That's fine. That's good. Make a jerk out of me. I was ready to go. You know I was ready
No, because the way it sounds is like,
Bro.
where did you think they were?
Bro, you know I was ready to go, right?
Like, leave the house?
Dude, I wasn't going to tell you what I was ready to do.
Were you going for a weapon?
I was taking a fucking Michael Myers knife. I was turning off the alarm and I was going outside.
What?
Yeah.
Wait, you were ready to die right now?
Yeah. Dude, you know I'm different, right? Guys, you've gotten to know me, right? You know I'm different, right?
Wait.
Like I'm not like Joe Blow down the street. Like
You were ready to. It's over,
bro. Here's what happened in my mind. I'm like, you want me to be honest with you?
Yeah.
I'm like, okay, I got you, I got Raph, and somebody else is in the house. So somebody's here, and I go, all right, so somebody's coming. Like, they're fucking with us, they're coming with us. I was going to get the fucking kitchen knife to Michael Myers. I was turning off the alarm. I wasn't going to go out the front. I was going to go out the back and come around where nobody can see me. And I was going to slit somebody's throat.
Oh my fucking God. And you were even if there were like 5 guys there,
No,
you already ran into it.
No, they wouldn't have seen me in the night. Because what I was going to do was I was going to come to the back in the pitch of night. And what I was going to do was I was going to start stabbing people in their spleen. So this is what I'm saying. Be careful.
Listen.
No.
I didn't know that was going to turn into that. I thought you would just be someone who's right here.
What I'm saying is
you ran up the stairs.
What I'm saying
I couldn't even tell you I'm joking.
Just be very careful when you poke the bear. Because your neighbor could have been walking a dog and I would have killed somebody. And everybody thinks, like, I know you, like, everybody's laughing. You think it's funny, like, ha, ha, ha.
In GTA, yeah, in GTA, not.
That's why I went upstairs because I wasn't
In
gonna.
GTA,
I was going outside. I'm just gonna let you know.
In GTA.
And the reason I woke up Raph is because I needed another set of eyes.
And then what was I gonna do?
No, you were fine. You would have came up. I woke up Raph to have another set of eyes, but
So were you gonna say bye? Like what are you talking? Like you're talking about going into like a war and then.
Dude, when I just went upstairs right now, I went right to the knife. I took it out and I was holding it. I was going outside. That's why I woke up Raph. Dude, you got to be careful what you do because you don't know. I'm not like everybody else.
But wait, so you looked and you saw the cameras though. There's no one there. So what'd you think?
Somebody was hiding, and I was gonna come. I was gonna come out, and I was gonna. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, let's
Let's go.